Well, hello everyone. Today's a little different video. Today I got a mail call. First time ever. So I'm kind of excited about it. First one we're going to open up is going to be this box. Let's see. This one here is from Simon Resendez, from Simon Resendez Woodturning. Watched a couple of his lives and stuff. Really talented. Love his work. I got me his project that he turned that day. We'll open that in a second here. Congratulations on winning the bowl giveaway. Thank you so much for the support and subscribing to the channel. It seriously means the world to me. I hope you love the bowl. See you in the next video. Cheers, Simon Resendez. Like I said, I subscribe to him. He does a lot of bowls. He does pretty much all his stuff. Most of the time is on a giveaway to anybody that was watching live. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed to him or you haven't checked him out, go check him out. Again, it's Simon Resendez, R-E-S-E-N-D-E-Z, Woodturning. All right, and here, my boys and girls, look at that. That is a beautiful bowl. That is absolutely gorgeous. I love the way the grain is. Y'all know me, I'm a grain guy. To me, the grain makes the piece. This is absolutely beautiful. I use this for many, many things, which I will. So, again, thank you, Simon. I really appreciate it. It was awesome. So, all right. Now let's get to the next one here. Now this one here, it came from Mike from the Whacking Shack. Mike turns pens, bowls, you name it, he turns it. An awesome guy. He does a lot of live turns. He had a thing where you spin the wheel and all that good stuff, and my name came up on it, and I won, which I'll show you in a second here. But let's start out by, I got me my first sticker from somebody, the Whacking Shack. I guess I gotta get me a board started, a board for all my stickers. I'm eventually gonna get stickers done, but I just gotta figure out how to nail down my logo and then get somebody to knock them out for me. Okay. So, here is the pen that Mike made. I watched him do this pen. This was awesome. I've not done any pens, but I'll tell you what, I've been watching a lot of videos of people making pens, and I just might get an itch and give it a shot. I'm sure I can do it on here somehow. I just don't know what all I need. These are my my mail calls for the day. Like I said, this is my first mail call. I absolutely love it. Thank you again, Simon and Mike D. All right, everybody. I'll see you on the next video. All right, see ya.